people, in this video let us look at this Aedes aegypti index. Okay, so we are looking at some terminology called Aedes aegypti index. Okay, basically Aedes is a mosquito, correct, and it spreads what? Dengue fever, chikungunya. These two you can remember. Okay, basically it spreads with the dengue virus and the chikungunya virus. Okay, so it is a vector, right? So it carries the disease causing agent. So other than this, it spreads a lot of other diseases also, but mainly you have to remember dengue and chikungunya fever. Okay, so this is widely distributed in India, this mosquito, and it is very abundant in rainy season. Okay, they breed in artificial collection of water in and around human dwellings. So where do they breed, guys? In artificial collection of water like these tires, etc. Okay, they're showing a bathtub here. So they will usually breed in this kind of artificial collection of water. So guys, this Aedes mosquito, look at the stripes on its legs, right? The white bands. That is why these Aedes mosquito are also called as tiger mosquito. Okay. So basically there are a lot of members in this Aedes group. One of them is Aedes aegypti. Then you have Aedes vittatus, Aedes albopictus, so many are there. Okay, but here we are concerned with what? Aedes aegypti. Okay, it is also transmitting yellow fever, Zika virus and all of them. You can remember those also. But in India, the main things you should know are dengue and chikungunya. These things bite during the day. Okay, they live with us in artificial collections of water, right? Bite in day. They bite in day. Okay, now how do they lay eggs and all? Look at that here. They lay eggs singly. Okay, and look at how the larva is. It has a siphon tube, right? Then this is the adult, female and male. Okay, you can see the differences. They don't fly that much also, guys. Okay, so basically what we have to do now, we have to learn what Aedes aegypti index is. That is what was the whole point of this video, correct? So now let us look at what this Aedes aegypti index is. So basically it is defined as the ratio. It is defined as what? The ratio expressed as percentage between the number of houses in a limited well-defined area on the premises of which actual breeding of Aedes aegypti are found to the total number of houses examined in that area. So this is not difficult, guys. Just pay attention here. What are the total number of houses? That will be the bottom part. Total number of houses. Okay, in that area. Now, in these, how many houses have on their premises, they have the breeding of Aedes aegypti. Okay. aegypti. Okay, so this is nothing but the Aedes aegypti index. So it is the ratio, but it is expressed in percentage. So let us do into 100 here. So what is this Aedes aegypti index? It is under the international health regulations. Okay, this is under what? International health regulations. It is defined as the ratio expressed as percentage between the number of houses in a limited well-defined area on the premises of which actual breeding of Aedes aegypti are found and the total number of houses examined in that area. Okay. Okay, so this is the Aedes aegypti index. So basically, why is it important, guys? So basically, all international airports and seaports are kept free from all types of mosquitoes for a distance of 600 meters around the perimeter of the ports. So let us say if there is an airport here, 400 meters distance, right? All the houses, they should keep them free, or anything for this matter, not just houses. This entire area should be free of mosquitoes. Okay, so that the disease from some traveler doesn't come to the population of the country. Yes, when it comes to Aedes aegypti, it has very peculiar behavior. Okay, this Aedes aegypti, what it does, this Aedes aegypti especially, we are talking about what? Aedes aegypti. So basically what it does, it is a nervous feeder Okay, it bites more than one host to complete the blood meal. Okay, so it bites more than one people. So guys, if you go to this house and you see that the house has breeding of Aedes aegypti, how do you know it is breeding? Because you will see the larva in the water. You will see this type of larva in the water. You can see that it is below the surface because of with a siphon tube. Okay, so if you see the larva, then you know that it is Aedes, right? You will know whether it is a breeding place. So basically what you should know is this Aedes aegypti index should not be more than 1%. So it should not be more than 1%. This Aedes aegypti index should not be more than 1%, where in seaports, so in airports and seaport area, this should not be there. Okay, so that you can prevent yellow fever, etc. Because these yellow fever and all can come from outside our country. Okay, so in and around airports, seaports, everywhere let us keep it clean, right? But here they are saying not more than 1%. In and around airports, seaports, so 400 meter radius. Okay, so this is what is Aedes aegypti, aegypti index. So we have told you in this video what, guys? In this video we have looked at a small introduction to what Aedes mosquito is, what it spreads, the dengue virus, the chikungunya virus, the Zika, the yellow fever, right? They bite during the day, they breed in artificial waters, they live in and around humans, they are very much attached to humans, right? They have these kind of white bands on their legs, they are called as tiger mosquito, and you have seen that they lay eggs singly, and the larva has the siphon tube, right? Differences between adult male and female have been shown here. Okay, then their resting position also you can pay attention here. They rest parallel to the surface. So are you able to see that here? They rest parallel to the surface, right? And then we saw what the Aedes aegypti index is given by the WHO and this international health, what is our international health regulations. Okay, so you are defining this Aedes aegypti index as the houses that have breeding of Aedes aegypti mosquito divided by the total number of houses examined into 100 in that specific area. Okay, so this should not be more than 1 in and around airport, seaport, and in the 100 meter radius. Okay, so we have completed Aedes mosquito in this video. Bye bye.